For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Betway Premiership Match Day 20 for Kaizer Chiefs. Now they're just 14 points behind the log leaders, Mamelodi Sundowns. They have a game in hand, the Kaizer Chiefs. So they win that game in hand, they will just be 11 points behind the champions with 9 games to go. And we've seen Mamelodi Sundowns winning 8 games in a row. Can Kaizer Chiefs emulate that and bring themselves into the title race? Mhlawumbe by the time we figure match day 27 or match day 28, we might be discussing Kaizer Chiefs being potential Betway Premiership champions. Namhlanje they just won. They beaten relegation threatened Magesi at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Of course, it was a Kaizer Chiefs home game, but Sayazi, season in, season out, they take some of their home games from FNB, but all around the country. Remember, they played some of their home games in Polokwane. At some point, they used to play also, they played 2 or 3 games. I remember I was still in Cape Town when they played their home games in Cape Town. I remember they played against Platinum Stars at the HL Stadium. But namhlanje beyodlala ke eDurban against iMagesi. They won by 2-0, by the way. Their development players scoring Wandile Duba and also Uvilakazi. Bobusini benibona la umdlalo mhlaba right?
Nganami ngishaba but ayiphelelanga lento mnganami.
Shota mhlaba ngiyeza shota mhlaba.
Ikhona ishota nganami khumbula ukuthi ku CAF Champions League kuhamba ama team awu2 ne.
Yeah.
Position 1
and position 2. Yes.
So ngicela uyichaze nokuthi Kaizer Chiefs ishiwa kule game yayo esele nayo game in hand. So far number 2 ushiye Kaizer Chiefs nga how many points? Nga 11 points. Should Kaizer Chiefs win the game in hand, number 2 uzoshiya Kaizer Chiefs nga 8 points. So inayo futhi chance yokuthi ngaba position 2 if iyahluleka mhlambe ukuthi ngathola lo position 1 ukuthi ikwazi ukuyodlala iCAF Champions League.
So you are defending your first position.
No.
You are diverting all your attention.
I'm trying to say, in a chance, you're
going to
the Champions League.
I hear you.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because position 2, if Chiefs win the game in hand, lo muntu position 2 today, uzoshi Kaizer Chiefs ngama point out 8, and Kaizer Chiefs are still going to play no position 1 and position 2 right now.
Hey, Bobsy, basigene kuyo mhlaba, basigene kuyo Kaizer Chiefs 2, Magesi 0.
Yeah, Shane ithi ngibulisa amadoda la studio Shane. Yes sir. Yeah, into engaqala ngayo Shane ithi speedy recovery man. Ku boy uRapado. Ngibone aphuma nge-stretcher lapha. Ngibona ngathi isimo besingekho right uma ngibona afakele oxygen. Kusho kona ukuthi mhlawumbe beyangasakwazi ukuphefumula kahle. Ngendlela ngicabanga ngazi ubone bakufaka le yanto. So speedy recovery ku boy siyacabanga ukuthi uzoba right Shane. So uma ungayibheka Shane the way Chiefs iqale ngakhona ethi ngibongise Shane.
Yeah.
Uvamisile ukuyisho lento legend. Ngiyamuzwa uloku yahleka ngala amakhosi for life. You know? Amakhosi for life. No man, it is bongise Kaizer Chiefs. You know what I like in the Chiefs today Shane, you know, ngibone goal number 1 Kaizer Chiefs. Cine kuqala kubona iChiefs ibhola licalwe idefender liyophelele neteam Shane. Goal number 1 Kaizer Chiefs from Leo Solomon. Ngibona iChiefs yenza ama passes Shane. La khona mayofika ulile bazoshaya le assist ne kufike kwaba ne defend interceptor le yabhola but the Chiefs the way iqhamuke nalo ngakhona especially ku defense ngicabanga ukuthi into mhlawumbe eyenze kahle Shane. Let's give credit where it's due Shane. First half Kaizer Chiefs they did very well Shane. Ukucombine ama passes bakwazi ukunokha ibhola ehafini opponent. I think into right ngicabanga ukuthi Chiefs uma ingakwazi ukukwenza lokho it's easy to score because up front aboduba ngiyacabanga ukuthi decision making wenze kahle kulela bhola. You know bekunama defender ungaki lapha eboxing the way akukhone ukusikreatela lesa space sokuthi okay now kumele ngifaceane no goalkeeper kube yi1v1. I think uboy wenze kahle kakhulu. Let's give credit kuDuba and namachita the way adlale ngakhona. So ngiyacabanga Shane mangibukela le game first half bengibona ukuthi Chiefs is the only team engicabanga ukuthi vele bazoyiwina le game. The way ngibona iChiefs idlala ngakhona kunama chances engibona bafika khona ku final third ama decision wabo bewaba poor but the way badlale ngakhona first half it shows ukuthi bebafuna ukuyiwina leya game. But second half kufike kwamosheka yonke lento. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi after scoring bayehlisa umzimba Shane. And if uzothola opponent ezoza ngamandla kuwe, ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's easy egcineni uma iChiefs udlala idraw. That's why we'll end up udlala ama draw because uma ngabe mhlawumbe udlale kahle first half, second half try to manage the game. Ungavumi opponent igain ball position Shane, because once bathola leya confidence wena sekunzima for wena uma ngabe awukwazi ukugcina ibhola. Egcineni kulula for bona ukuthi bangenzani bangaconverta leyo chance. Ubonile ukuthi kunama chances abawatholile aboluthuli, but abekho clinical up front ku final third decision making bebaphuwa amajita. So uma uyiChiefs udlala ngalendlela le, make sure Shane ukuthi if kune chance yokuthi uscore amagoli, score la magoli Shane. Njengoba ubonile uLilepo, njengoba ngisaqeda ukukhuluma ngale bhola, ubonile ukuthi akazange uma lapha kuleya position afuna ukuzishayela ngasonke isikhathi. Uyambona umdlalo uthatha run which is uDuba, then uthatha ibhola ulibeke spacing, so which is good man. Chiefs iqale kahle, yadlala kahle. Second half bafuna ukuluza leya momentum, lasibona amagezi aqala buya khona. So uthi uyabheka amagezi nayo imistake yawo Shane la ngibone khona ukuthi vele shot nequality bayaleka. Ngibona kuphuma kwaButhelezi ngaleya injury. Ngiyacabanga naye akusi injury ngathi mhlambe ingamhlalisa isikhathi eside. Baletha umdlali jersey number 15, you understand, uma bamletha balanda uMatima la ku central midfield kule double pivot, uyo compromise uyodlala le center back, and uyabona ukuthi ama qualities wakhe for ukuthi abe defender. Ngibonile lela goal la kaMfundo, umbonile ukuthi uhleka clear lela bola, you understand, uyabona ukuthi ufaila kwenza ama primary job we defender. But singalibuki ngeside lakhe kuphela, we must also give credit kuMfundo ukuthatha lela bhola ngeweaker foot yakhe right, akwazi ukuphika lesa sport, you understand. So ngicabanga ukuthi bebaleka Shane ngakwe quality uma ungabheka the way badlale ngakhona, because ukudonsa lo yamdlala umletha lapha emuva, uyabona ukuthi ibalance abasesenayo, because the two Mkonisi ngapha ku left back na ku center left, uyabona ukuthi yes bayadlala but abakhoni nabo lokudila nalama opponent the way kumele badile ngabo ngakhona. At least uDlozi ngale, uDlozi ngibonile bokumdlala ngicabanga ngathi uyakhona nokufika eyafini opponent, atry ukuthi at least akhave lawo ma space uma ngabe uModi ufuna mhlambe ukumnikeza iproblem. So for bona Shane bebanga deserve man ukuthi mhlambe banga equalize or bangalo cishe ngalama chances kune free header la ngibona ngathi bebanga equalize, but poor defensive also ku Kaizer Chiefs. You don't allow i-opponent ithole free header kulela bhola lela, and lo muntu uyabona ukuthi bayaleka ngenumber up front abadlali bemagesi, special first half bayaleka. But if you uzo allow lo yamdlali athola ama free header lapha, they will punish you abanye abantu. So uyabona ukuthi ukwehlisa kwemzimba Shane, njengoba ngisho ukuthi kwabadlali bheka uvuma le mistake ayenzayo. You don't do such mistake Shane. Goalkeeper you know ukuthi ngalibamba once ngalibeka phansi sel on, why kumele uphinde ulibambe futhi? Uyabona ama mistake afana nalawo egcineni ufuna ukuzoblame ucoach, because abadlali angazi mhlambe baleka concentration or benzani. So but for me Shane, ngiyanikeza Kaizer Chiefs abomfundo, they came benza something. Ubonile ngibonenye ichance I creator njengale chance ayinikeza uLilepo, but ngiyacabanga lifike umuntu wina wrong today. Uboy
Serino
yaka Serino, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uBoy mangena as a sub wenza ama changes kule team kulama game ngimbone ngawo, but I mistake yethu sizomdinga manje, or abalandeli lo thola sebamdinga bamfuna ku first 11 afika ngabanikeza inix abamnike abamiyeka abe super sub. If it deserve kuba super sub, allow Boy abe super sub akwineli game, because uzomcala ne game angakunikeza lento mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi angakunikeza yona if uvela as a sub. So but for me Shane, ngiyacabanga ukuthi Chiefs deserve ukuwina le game kanoma.
xa ujonge umdlalo wa last week Saturday, there was Pirates and Siwelele. You could see ukuthi iSiwelele they are trying, they want to be inside that top 8, bafuna ukugqiba inside the top 8. There was also a game midweek between Sundowns and Marumo Gallants. Nabo they are avoiding izembe Marumo Gallants, and you could see ukuthi they were fighting. But xa ubukela lo mdlalo wanamhlanje, did you see a team that is fighting for relegation, a team number 16 on the log?
The answer is no Shane, with capital letters. Angeke ukuthi uMagesi the way idlale ngakhona ibonakala njenge team ebabekela izembe. The only guy uLuthuli, he was trying ukuthi ufuna kube umuntu ofuna ukuhlukumeza le defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs because bekakwazi ukuthi ayenze ama-run kuma space because siyambona abathethena noSibanyoni ulandela uSibanyoni but bheka abo Vandal abadlali engaziyo ukuthi ngibazi bagudi but today abakunikeza innings kuleya team baze bamkhipha baletha uSharamandar but mawuletha uSharamandar ngiexpecte ukuthi uthathe yena uLthuli noSibanyoni at least badlale le boxini so that uyamazi ukuthi ugudi ngama crosses uSharamandar and uyabona ukuthi iChiefs sometimes ayikwazi ukudefenda lawo amabhola okufanele lawo so that you allow uSharamandar alethe lawo amabhola eboxini mina ungangibuza uSharamandar ngizokutshela ngakubona eBloemfontein ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthatha ibhola ayilethe eboxini benza umsebenzi you understand so ngingendlela bengicaka ukuthi bazokwenza but lo mbuzo uShane ungibuza wona I don't see iMagesi ibonisa ngathi ihanga bafuna ukudefenda ukubalekela lelazembe babonakala kwangathi mhlambe bayadlala ukuthi sesikhona mhlambe la angeke siye ku relegation angeke singene ku top 8 ababonisi Shane ukuthi no we are hungry sifuna lento you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi lapha ku number 16 abahlala ngemistake Shane the way bona abadlala ngakhona but iChiefs yona mele sinikeze le credit even though sibabona balahla side angisho malahla side kumele ngicollect ama point ekugcineni so but the way badlala ngakhona Shane ngiyacabanga bazohamba Shane uma ngabe banga change amadlala lawo abiMagesi ngiyacabanga ngizohamba Shane.
Do they have the quality though yokuthi basuke kanaba kuyo because I think they've won just 2 games this season and iwin yabo it was a couple of months ago I can't even remember their last win eMagesi xa bajongile bobuzini besides umdlalo wabo xa ujonga iquality abanayo in that team do you see them mhlawumbe bodlala iplayoffs at the end of the season okanye mhlawumbe bagqibe number 14 okanye are you saying this team ngendlela endibone ngayo namhlanje I think xa kuphela isizini yiyo i-team ezaya straight ku-NFT.
For me Shane if you have a couple of players engicabanga ukuthi ba good if ungaqala mhlawumbe ngabo Chipezeze uye kumkoni kuleya center back ubheka abadlali abafana nabo Sharamandar ulande emidlalo ofana noVandal boSibanyoni boLthuli those guys babonile badlala kwamanye ama team and bebakunikeza something bebakudeliver so uyabona ukuthi if bangafuna ukufight labadlali bangafight so singazi mhlawumbe because amanye ama team yazi maya ku relegation ukuthi kuba njani but ngiyacabanga ukuthi mangabe management kunama bonus ekumele babanike wona mhlawumbe ukuthi babakhuthaza sibone something because amanye ama team yazi ukuthi uyodlala nje bakutshela ukuthi hayi let's play for ukuthi save status without ukuthi babeke mhlawumbe lawo ama bonus ema teamini so kubadlali so ngicabanga ukuthi Shane badlali banabo bokuthi bangafight if mhlawumbe labadlali bafuna ukufighta because ngibabonile boSibanyoni badlala ngibonile uLthuli adlala even though angathola game time Orlando Pirates but uyambona namanje ukuthi uLthuli can give you something uSharamandar I know ma qualities wakhe ukuthi he's a player ongakunikeza something just that kumele ukuthi ucoach Allen Fraser alungise mhlawumbe lapho kulabo badlali ukuthi mhlawumbe bahlanganisa kanjani but the way badlala ngakhona ababonisi Shane fighting spirit ukuthi bangayincoma le Shane so ngendlela ngibona ngayo kulela side le Magesi Shane.
And for Kaizer Chiefs this is their second win in a row bebesuka ku drought where they lost a couple of games between including ECAF now they started this winning formula where they are winning games at the end of the season nabo not gonna ask you ukuthi bazaqhuba phi but indlela ngoku xa siyasisonga iBetway Premiership would you say mhlawumbe bapika phe iform ngexesha le right
Shane asibeke kule game efanele namhlanje Magesi uyayibona iMagesi ukuthi i-team enjani nayo vele so kumele ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingibonise ukuthi manje babuyile nabo kunama game engibelo azoba i-challenge for bona they must win those games ngithola ama calls amaningi kakhulu last week but why ngithi iChiefs mathematically can win the league so ngathi mina no angikhuluma manga noma Stenke uyifakazile lento live washo wathi uboba kakhuluma manga so into engizama ukuyisho Shane ukuthi if iKaizer Chiefs izochubeka njengoba icalile manje iwine lawo ma game ayo izomconvince Shane khona uma yoshaya iSundowns ishaya iPirates Shane inama chances amaningi kakhulu Shane as long as bakwazi ukudlula kulo number 1 no number 2 phela manje Shane baku number 4 and number 3 una 22 games iChiefs ina how many games
ina 20
ina 20 and already uma win game one ya jump ya ku number 3 and uma ijump ku number 3 number 2 ishiya nga 8 point asazi ukuthi number 2 yodlala kanjani kusasa number 1 uyomshiya nga how many points nga 11 points so yabona ukuthi Shane if iChiefs njengoba Mr. Nke wakhuluma elat if ngewindow ya January bebazamile ukubeef up lesa squad ngabadlala abayiquality mhlawumbe ngabe manje sikhuluma i-top 3 iya compete and ama game bazoba mnandi because iChiefs isafuna ukudlala number 1 and number 2 ngicela sivale Shane.
Wow, okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Magesi nil. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.